Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with entry number 9 into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all my new subbies. I am looking forward to growing my channel and hopefully learning a little about each and every one of you. That might be over exaggerating it, but hey, maybe. Anyway, so entry number 9 says do not bend. Anyway, let's see who sent us entry number 9. Okay. Ooh. Oh, how beautiful. Look at how cute this little pocketbook is. It's like a little purse. Aww. And it's from Lady J Crafts 2016. She's here on YouTube. And I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go check her out. How cute. This is so beautiful. I love this paper. And then she's added this bowl with this blue rhinestone gemmy. And she's probably cut this out and backed it with the blue paper as well. So cute. And then she's attached some Velcro. Oh, it is a little pocket book. So, and then she has her Memorydex card in here. Oh, and some goodies. How fun. Let's just take everything out so we can. Oh my goodness. Jackie, thank you so much, Jackie. Aloha. Look, aloha. How pretty. Look at her butterfly. And she has popped up a flower. I think she's added the stickles. It might have already come with. And then the antenna for the butterfly. And it has a gemmy rhinestone. And I believe this butterfly is from the Stamps of Life. I don't have this folded die yet. But let's check out her Memorydex. So it does fold and the information is on the back, but she's added this folded in front. Okay, so it says, "Hi Makalani, I'm so excited to be joining your challenge. I hope you like what I made you. Be well and be safe. Your YT friend, Jackie." Oh, Jackie, I love it. I love it. I love it. So beautiful. And let's see. Jackie's born in October. She's from the Bronx. And she loves owls, cats, dogs, anything cute. And her favorite holiday is Christmas. Thank you so much, Jackie, for joining. Thank you for being a subscriber to my channel and for all the support you have shown over the years. I appreciate you so much. Look at all of these die cuts she's included. I'm sorry, my dog is barking. All of these die cuts she's included and gifted me. So cute. Thank you so much. Oh, and she colored some turtles for me. And this was April's or May's club kit. And thank you. Oh yeah, so I don't need to color some more, but I probably will. Look at these gorgeous flowers and mugs and kisses. So cute. Aw, thank you so much, Jackie. I hope you are doing well and staying safe. And until my next video, shakas.